Hey, how's it going? I'm Josh, co-founder of Trio Flatmount. We make Starlink mounts with one purpose: to take Starlink anywhere. We are the #1 Starlink mount, and we make the lowest profile Starlink mount on the market. If you have a Starlink, you can use any Trio mount with any Trio attachments to build the perfect setup for your specific use case. We've tested them on vans, RVs, boats, yachts, side-by-sides, even planes. If you run Starlink, there is a Trio mount for your setup. And we back every single one of our mounts with a lifetime guarantee. This is not a 1-year warranty. It's not a limited liability coverage. If you break or otherwise damage a mount, we will send you a new one. We built these to last, and we stand behind that. In the coming months, we're also expanding to Amazon Leo. So if you're eyeing that ecosystem, keep an eye out because we'll be making products for those as well. So if you're new here, stick around. We make content on tips and tricks to install your Starlink, best practices, and real-world installation. And when you're ready to mount your dish, you know where to find us.